each case scenario. Dito naman po tayo for case scenario number 1. Discuss what is Are you done with your stakeholder system map? Okay. Sino na? Okay, time is up. May we have your attention, please? Okay na po yun. Wala namang grado yan. I-record lang namin mamaya yan kung nakapag-submit ba kayo o hindi. Kung kasali ba kayo sa grupo niyo o hindi. Sige po, makinig na po tayo. We have here, they will be presenting the case scenario number 1. So, both the scenario analysis sheet and the stakeholder system map.
Good afternoon, everyone. For our group, scenario number 1, this is our answer, collaborative answer. For scenario number 1, our possible challenges. Number 1 is struggle with basic site works, then lack access to printed materials, parents cannot support literacy, and number 4, teachers are overwhelmed because they are handling multi-grade classes without additional reading support. So our alternative strategies is fully distributed intervention in reading. The number 2, top stakeholders. Stakeholders for WEC support in the printing of materials. And number 3, orient parents on the SII to spread. Then the proposed role in the situation for the teachers, of course, is still the tutors, the implementers, and the frontliners. For the school year, initiate the planning and for the state. Then, post role in the situation, still we are initiating the planning and the USP. For the parents, support the works, same situation. Then for the PSD is of course the activity providers, the monitors and the implementations, and same as a proposal in the situation. And for our community and barangay, we are supporters.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Okay. For our group who answered the case scenario number 1, do you have the same answer? Are you implementing the SII? Very good. Sino pa po ba dito yung nag-implement ng SII? Okay, ayan. The Biliran Division, the Hall of Biliran. Okay, very good. Mapapasana all na lang po tayo dyan. Okay, sige. So, thank you so much. In the stakeholder system map, di ba yung second column, yun yung na-observe natin na ano? Observe, rule, or current situation. So, dito po sa scenario na to, ano po ba yung naging rule ng bawat isa sa mga stakeholders natin? Okay? Sige. Next, scenario number 2. Dito naman po tayo sa bandang gitna. present your output? Sino po yung mag-represent? And so on. Di po ba? So, pero yung iba, nakalimutan natin yung COT sa IS. So, kumusta naman po yung COT1 ngayon ng mga teacher natin? Nakapagkandak na po ba tayo? Ayan, ang galing. So, were we able to implement now the PMES, the new PMES? Yes. Ayan. Conducted orientation in our school because we don't have enough time anymore. Di po ba? So, in just 2 weeks, magwa-quarterly exam na. After that, wala na po. Okay? Okay. So, let us proceed. Let us tell what was the purpose of the monitoring and evaluation for the IS. Ano po ba? Primarily, ano po yung purpose natin for conducting instructional supervision? Anybody would like to share? Just 1 word or 2 words? Sir, would you like to share?
Hello, good morning everyone. One of the purpose of monitoring or evaluation in the class observation in IS is to check the immediate need for teachers' improvement on a particular indicator in the PPST, and of course to immediately give technical assistance to the teacher para ma-address there and then whatever needs he or she primarily or ultimately should be addressed, because they're handling they're the front lines in handling our learners. So it's important to actually get what they need, what they feel they need, and what they think they need to improve more.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so our end goal naman in the IS is to improve the learning outcomes of our learners, and we could do that if we will be providing appropriate technical assistance to our teacher. Di po ba? In our PMES, if you would notice, di ba ang sabi doon, we would require our teacher to submit their lesson plan, but we will not provide technical assistance prior their demo teaching, prior the classroom observation. What do you think is the purpose of that? Bakit po? Bakit hindi tayo magbibigay ng technical assistance to our teachers on the preparation of their lesson plan prior the class observation? What do you think natin yung number of teachers trend, and then so the outcomes would be to improve the teaching strategies. Kasi yung training na i-conduct natin is about pedagogies or mga strategies. And also, we have better attendance.